Hi, it's Seb Brantigan, the Britpreneur, and I wanted to do a walkthrough of Fix Your Funnel and linking it back to Infusionsoft. So the reason why I like Fix Your Funnel is, especially if you're using Infusionsoft, is how easy it is to actually use this tool for SMS marketing. Fix Your Funnel have a ton of other features as well, which are definitely welcome to explore and learn more about. But SMS marketing is very responsive. You know, I work with a lot of businesses in the event industry, and they work with telemarketing teams. And what we find is there's some people who just don't pick up the phone. They just will not answer any calls to people that they don't know. And this is becoming more and more common. So one of the more popular solutions and cost-effective ways to deal with that is by using SMS marketing. And we can link this back to Infusionsoft using tags. So if you're a tag user in Infusionsoft, then Fix Your Funnel is absolutely perfect. So I just want to show you an example of just exactly how this can work. So one of the features we have here in Fix Your Funnel is what's called a messaging conversation. So this is when someone replies a certain keyword, and that then triggers a tag inside of Infusionsoft. So these are very easy to set up. Literally all you do is this bit here is automatic. You would then just add your custom text here, add the tag that you want to trigger when someone actually applies to one of your texts, and it just automatically tags them inside of Infusionsoft. Very, very powerful. Now I want to show you exactly how that works in the broadcaster section. So here's where you can actually send texts out to a list of people inside of Infusionsoft based on using a tag. So we want to set a start time. Now we want this to be quite a big range if there's a lot of people. So what's the time here? 8 o'clock. So let's just do 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. tomorrow. And time zone, we're going to select Europe, London. And then literally select a tag here, and that's basically going to bring up everyone who we select here, and it's going to give you an indication of how long it's going to take and how many contacts this is going to go to. So really, really cool, useful tool. As you can see, it really did not take long at all. We select the number, we start typing the message, and then we hit preview and then send. So Fix Your Funnel allows you to just literally email a huge amount of people very easily, literally within minutes. As you can see, it's very, very simple and super easy to use if you just want to do a broadcast. Now, the other cool thing that you can do, and I'll show you the Infusionsoft side in a second, is you can actually link it to the campaign builder. So what we have here, I'll just go through one of these texts here. If you click this button here, we can preview what's going on with the text. Now, if we go and edit this, what we've got here is the text we want to go out, and this link here goes into Infusionsoft. So if we copy that, I'm going to jump over into Infusionsoft, one of our campaigns, and this is just inside of a sequence that I've created. We would then just add send HTTP post, literally just copy and paste the link here, jump back and make sure the contact ID is selected, which it is. We then want to select a phone field as well, so let's just go to phone 1 and let's just add that. And you can also add all sorts as well. You can add a name tag here as well, and so you can actually personalize these texts and put people's first name on here from Infusionsoft. So really, really cool, really, really powerful, and it just allows you to send text through Infusionsoft. Now, one thing I do recommend doing when you're sending these texts is, where possible, try and leave dates out and try and leave information out that is going to become dated. So what this is going to do is it's going to allow your text in your SMS campaign to pretty much be as evergreen as possible. You know, if you're creating loads of text that you don't have to go in and change the date and change the venue and stuff like that, and change stuff all the time, it's going to allow you to literally set up your campaign once, and you'll only need to change it when you want to go and tweak certain things. Maybe you want to improve shout-out rate to your business, to your events. Maybe you just want to change some of your copy and just freshen up the text and just tweak things a little bit. But basically, as you can see there, within minutes, I've managed to set up a a campaign inside of Infusionsoft where I can send a text to anyone who joins a certain campaign in Infusionsoft. I'm able to set it up so when I send a broadcast, people reply a letter and then a tag gets applied. So what this basically does is it allows, instead of having to have someone manually respond to text, manually puts people in Infusionsoft and all that stuff, within, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes, maybe less than that, you can have literally everything set up inside of Fix Your Funnel and linked to Infusionsoft. And I know with Fix Your Funnel, they have some very affordable packages. So if you are looking for Fix Your Funnel as an Infusionsoft add-on for SMS marketing, I mean, there's tons of other tools out there, of course, but there's none as easy and integrates that well as Fix Your Funnel. So this is why I really recommend it as the only tool to do SMS marketing with at the moment. And it's been a tool that I've actually used with Infusionsoft for a couple of years now. So anyway, hopefully that helps you. If you want more information on using Fix Your Funnel, there's a link below this video where you can create an account and try Fix Your Funnel. I recommend giving it a go, having a play around with it. There's loads of other features as well. They do upsells, it links to Facebook, so you're able to integrate other platforms with this as well. So I really recommend using Fix Your Funnel. Again, click the link in the description to create an account, and any questions that you've got on Fix Your Funnel, feel free to just ask. But it fully integrates with Infusionsoft, very simple to use. And that's basically all I've got for you today. So I hope this helps. Any questions, drop them in the comments. If you've got some value, just let me know. Give me a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll speak and hopefully see you on the next video.